In today's video, we are going to be replacing the engine air filter and the cabin air filter in a 2014 Subaru Outback. So starting off, first one we're going to do is the engine. So right here is the brand new one. Just take it right out. So all we're going to do, pop these clips on top, and it should come right out. We had it loosened, but it should come right out. This one's actually not too bad, but it definitely is still dirty. So
we vacuumed it out last week.
So we're gonna, you can still see the difference though. So we're gonna replace that. So there's these two spots where it has to slide in like two clicks at the bottom. Those are what you're really aiming to try to get. So you're gonna just have to mess around with it. I'm not gonna get it in my first try, but make sure you try to click it in at the bottom. Who's that? Once you get the clips, there's clips on the bottom here. You can feel them too to make sure that's flush, and then you just do these top two. And that is all you do for the engine air filter. Now, for the cabin air filter, there's this in front of it. This is the cover. It was just like this, and it has these clips right here. So all you gotta do is use your fingers inside there. It was right in there. There's the filter right there. And you just use the clips. And then you would just reach in. It's right there. And there's the old one. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. So you have the new one right here. I turned the flashlight on, so now you can see that's where the new one's gonna go. This one even looks way nicer, so we're gonna put it in this way. Now you can see the cabin air filter is in, so now just have to put this cover back on. So I put the cover back on. All I did was clip right here, all four of those clips, and that is it.